Right, so let me show you how to install and enable Gboard or the Google Keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So if you prefer to use the Google Keyboard, first step is to go to the Google Play Store and have it installed on your Samsung S25. So just go there and search Gboard, find it and get it installed. So mine is already installed. I just have to go and update it. But normally it doesn't come pre-installed on your phone. You have to go and actually install it. Now, once it's installed, all you have to do now to make it the default keyboard is to go to settings. Just go back to the main settings. So when you go to settings on your Samsung phone and scroll down to general management and tap on that, you should see the option for keyboard lists and default. Tap on that and then you can see the default keyboard. Then you can tap on that and change the default keyboard to the Gboard. Now, in case it's not in this list, it means you haven't activated the Gboard. So you want to come here and enable Gboard. Once Gboard is enabled, now you can go to the default keyboard and select Gboard. So from now on, whenever you're in messages or you're typing a document or whatever it is that you're doing, you'll get the Google Keyboard as your default keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.